Alright, I got good news. We have no more babies. So the wren have fledged. Now I can water this geranium. And then the other good news is I fed the bluebirds and yeah, two of them, right? The male and the female, the mama and the daddy. And then they didn't go to the box. So I'm gonna check the box out here in a second. Waiting for the sprinkler to pass. There's my bullet over there, look. He's in a hole. Hey Bullet, I love you. Alright, so we're gonna check the box. There's nothing in there. They're all gone. They're all gone. So that's great. Alright, I gotta go.